A beam of light lambda 600 nanometer from a distant source falls on a single slit 1 mm wide, and the resulting diffraction pattern is observed on a screen 2 meters away. The distance between the first dark fringes on either side of the central bright fringe is. Okay. So here we know that the linear width of central maxima is given by, that is, qy is equal to 2 times lambda into d divided by a. If I substitute the values, 2 into lambda value is equal to 600 nanometer into 10 to the power of minus 9 into d value is equal to 2 meters away, that is 2 divided by a value is, that is 1 mm, that is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. If I simplify, this becomes 10 power of minus 3 and this get cancelled, minus it becomes minus 6, and 2 into 2 4 into 6 is equal to 24, and these two zeros if I get cancelled, then we can write answer they are given in terms of centimeter. Then this will get actually 2 into 2 4 into 6 24 into 10 to the power of minus 6. If I would write this one as 2.4 into 10 to the power of minus 4, they are given in terms of centimeter, then we can write this one as 2.4 centimeter is our right answer. So option C is the right answer here.